Do you know why you're not speaking English fluently yet? It's not because of grammar. It's not because of vocabulary. It's because you're not using English in your real life. In this video, I'll give you 30 phrases you can use at home while making tea, doing laundry, or just living your day simple, natural, and powerful. So don't just watch, speak with me. Let's start now. I just woke up and I'm still a little sleepy. Let me brush my teeth and wash my face first. I need some quiet time before I start the day. I'm making coffee. Do you want some too? What should I wear today? It looks cold outside. I have a busy day ahead of me. Let's get things done, one step at a time. Can you please pass me the sugar? I'll start the laundry in a few minutes. These clothes need to be folded and put away. I need to clean the kitchen after this. I'll work from the living room today, it's more comfortable. Let me check my to-do list real quick. I need to answer some emails. I need to stay focused, no distraction. I think I deserve a 5-minute break. I'll make some tea and take a deep breath. I forgot to buy milk again. I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? I'm preparing lunch now. It won't take long. Can someone help me set the table? Let me open the window. I need fresh air. I'll clean the table while you do the dishes. I'm stepping outside for a quick walk. I'm tired. I need to rest my mind for a while. Let me write in my journal before I sleep. Today wasn't perfect, but I'm proud of myself. I'm feeling grateful today. Good night. Sleep well. You did amazing. These are the words of real life. Practice them every day, at home, out loud, with love. This is how fluency starts. What should we shadow next? Tell us in the comments. Do you want phrases for school, the supermarket, or maybe the airport? And if you have any questions, drop them below. We're reading everything.